if you have a fridge with a water dispenser on it, or you have an under sink water filter, if you have it on your tap, for example, then invariably these are the filters that they use. They're all pretty much the same. They have these small John Guest fittings, and they're push fit, so it pushes in one end and pushes in the other. Really simple. But if you have a branded appliance and they want you to buy their branded filters, then it could cost quite a bit of money. They're all the same. They're carbon block filters, really good for reducing chemicals in tap water. Certainly the taste is better, and there are certain sort of heavy metals that this might filter out as well. I use them. I have a 3-way tap that's hot, cold, and then you push it away from you to get filtered tap water. Really simple, really easy. And if you buy a 3-pack like these AquaHouse filters, then much better value than potentially the branded of the original manufacturers. They want you to buy their ones, and they're just the same, and you can save quite a lot of money by buying these. Change them once every 6 months, that sort of thing, and yeah, you're going to get much better value for money. These have worked perfectly for my tap that I use, and yeah, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. They've got a direction of flow here, so you just make sure it's the right way up. Really easy to install. Don't get worried about it. Yeah, I thoroughly recommend these ones. Thumbs up from me.